In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up stop loss in Webull. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place a basic stop order on Webull desktop using a paper trading account, so you can practice safely before using real money. First, open Webull desktop and log into your paper trading account. Paper trading is a great sandbox. It mirrors the platform's tools without risking actual capital, which makes it perfect for learning order types like stops. Once you're in, head to your Positions tab if you already hold the stock you want to protect. This view is convenient because it shows your existing holdings and quantities at a glance. If you don't see the symbol there, or you're preparing in advance, use the search bar at the top to find the stocks page. Either path works. The key is that you're on the correct symbol you plan to manage. Next, click Sell. For a long position, a stop loss is a sell order that will trigger if the price falls to your chosen level. Think of it as an automatic seatbelt. If the market moves against you, it steps in and exits the trade to help limit losses. You're not selling right now. You're setting up the condition under which the platform will sell for you. In the Order Type menu, choose Stop. A stop order turns into a market order once the stop price is reached or passed. That means execution is prioritized, but the exact fill price can vary during fast moves. This is different from a stop limit order, which adds a limit price. Today, we're sticking with a basic stop to keep it straightforward and ensure the order can fire even in volatile conditions. Now enter your stop price and quantity. The stop price is the trigger. When the stock trades at or below this number, your sell order goes live. The quantity should match how many shares you want protected, whether that's your full position or a portion. Many traders place stops just below recent support levels or a technical threshold they've planned in advance. Give your stop a bit of breathing room so normal intraday noise doesn't knock you out too early, but keep it tight enough to honor your risk tolerance. Be mindful that gaps at the open can cause fills below your stop price with a market-based stop. Finally, click Submit or Place Order. Before you do, take a quick moment to confirm the symbol, the sell direction, your stop price, and the share quantity. Once submitted, your stop will appear in your orders, ready to trigger if the market reaches your level. That's all there is to it. Practice this flow in paper trading until it feels second nature, and you'll be prepared to manage risk confidently on Webull desktop.